Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record game audio and mic audio separately in OBS, so let's jump right in. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Now here's an important note before we continue. Make sure to launch your game first before adjusting these settings. This ensures OBS can properly detect and capture your game audio. Once both OBS and your game are running, you're ready to configure the audio tracks. In the upper left corner of OBS, click on File, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the settings window where you'll configure most of the audio separation options. Once you're in the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Output. This section controls how OBS records and streams your content. Now navigate to the Output Mode option at the top. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Advanced. This unlocks additional recording options that aren't available in the simple mode, giving you more control over your audio tracks. After selecting Advanced, click on the Recording tab at the top of the window. By default, you'll see options for track 1 through track 6. Simply check each box for the number of tracks you plan to use. For example, since I'll be using 3 tracks for desktop audio, mic/auxiliary, and audio input, I'll check boxes up to track 3. This tells OBS to record multiple separate audio tracks that you can edit independently later. Next, in the left panel, click on Audio. This is where you'll assign your audio devices to specific inputs. Click the drop-down menu next to Desktop Audio, then select your preferred headset or speaker from the list. This captures your system sounds, including music, browser audio, and other applications. Below that, navigate to mic/auxiliary. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your preferred microphone from the list. This ensures your voice is captured on its own dedicated input. Once you've selected both your desktop audio and microphone, click Apply in the bottom right corner, then click OK to save these settings and close the window. Now in the bottom left area of OBS, navigate to the Sources panel, click the plus icon, then select Application Audio Capture Beta from the list. This feature allows you to capture audio from a specific application rather than all system sounds. You can optionally rename it to something like Game Audio for easy identification, or leave it as default, then click OK. Navigate to the Window option and right beside it, click the drop-down menu. Select your game from the list of running applications, then click OK. This isolates your game's audio onto its own track, which is exactly what we need for separate recording. Now comes the crucial part for separating your audio. In the Audio Mixer section, click the gear icon below. This will open up the Advanced Audio Properties window, which is where you'll assign each audio source to its own track. A common setup includes game audio, mic/aux, or audio input capture depending on your specific configuration. On the right side of this window, you'll see track 1 through track 6, all checked by default. To record each audio source separately, simply uncheck all the boxes first. This clears the default configuration so you can set up your custom track assignments. Now let's assign each source to its own track. Navigate to your game audio, and right beside it, check the box for track 1. Then navigate to desktop audio and check the box for track 2. Finally, navigate to mic/auxiliary and check the box for track 3. This setup ensures each audio source records on its own separate track. When you're done, click Close in the bottom right to apply these changes. And that's it. You've successfully configured OBS to record your game audio, desktop audio, and microphone on separate tracks, giving you full control during editing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.